hlapani na just a closer walk with thee share man so le